You can go and sit near the cat. Go.
Me?
Yeah, of course, because it resembles you. Hi guys, welcome back to my JV's channel. So today we have come to the old port of Qatar. So I'll show you how it looks. As you can see, it's a very beautiful place. It's very decent as well because there's a lot of many shops here. If you want to come here to take a very good pictures, it's the best spot. I'll take you to the wonderful spots with me. So let's go.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो.
Where is Vanashri and all? They are taking the pictures. They are here, so it's her last day in Qatar. So we thought of, meeting her for the last time. I hope she will come back as well very soon. Is that pretty lady walking through? She's doing her photo shoots here. Ma'am, so it's her last day. How are you feeling, ma'am?
I'm feeling so grateful.
Grateful.
Coming for 9 months and going back in.
So 9 months, it's like a period of delivery.
Yeah, I just came to visit my friends for 9 months and very grateful that I'm leaving.
झूठ पे झूठ बोलती जा रही है, शर्म नहीं आती.
Oh my God, no.
memories.
Please pray that she comes back very soon, and so that we can take her in my videos also.
I'll be back in 3 months.
By the way, she's going for her wedding, so let's wish all her very best and
Invite
keep
them
her.
all.
Yeah, please. You have to invite them.
Please, guys, I know it's very far. I know you cannot come, but
No
still
one
try
gonna
to
come,
come.
She's only
No
doing the
force,
formality.
no force, okay? No force.
You don't want
So,
anyone to come.
Everything built to company.
And she'll take you the flights as well, because of course you cannot go to India like in the bus or anywhere, right? So you have to flight.
If you tell like this, then big budget. Sorry, guys.
It's okay, she's
edit.
right.
A few moments later.
So guys,
He's okay.
look at these people here. They are into the deep discussion for the video. Oh my God. This
Portrait-
couple in the
portrait
town,
will
guys.
come blur,
Oh my
see?
God, so much of love.
ये सब क्या देखना पड़ रहा है? अच्छा है मैं अंधा हूँ.
Guys, this is a very beautiful spot. There is no charges to come here. He wore flower also.
बस हो गया guys, हो गया.
Hi guys.
Hello.
Who's girl? Who's boy?
I'm a boy
See,
I'm
he
a
did not
boy,
tell
I'm a
anything
boy.
means he's a girl.
and he's also a boy. He's a married guy.
Yeah.
Oh, it's okay.
So how is your day right now?
Day.
Not day. This is night.
Oh wow, slow claps guys.
What a reply, man. What a reply. Very good.
First time. Standing ovation. Mic drop.
Mike, you want me to drop?
No, that is mine. If it was Vishnu's, I would have told him.
बड़ा हरामी हो बेटा.
We have entered Karak Markins and we ordered for lemon mint, and then we have also got 3 Karak. So we will sit here or we will take it?
Yeah, we'll walk it.
Okay, they already are there.
They already left.
Cheers.
They already left us.
By the way, how is the tea over here? Karak Markins.
Nice.
It's better than tea stop tea time? Or not?
No, we cannot.
Compare tea stop, right?
Yeah, obviously.
Mm.
We are
Tea
regular
was
to
nice.
there.
So guys, I would really want to know that how is the tea of Karak Markins?
It's nice.
How much would you like to rate it?
Right,
Out of 10?
comparing with tea time.
Tea time, tea stop. 8?
8.
8?
Not too sweet.
Perfect.
It's nice.
Because we don't like it too sweet also.
Yeah, it's
We
nice.
are on diet, guys.
Not me, not me.
Of
Not
course, if you
cannot
do
be
diet,
diet
then you will be
I'm
flying
diet
on the
on
sky.
gaining weight.
क्या बोला तूने?
Weight gaining diet.
He's in the process of gaining weight. So once we lose, we will give you our meat.
Please.
And we found a very cute aesthetic shop. So we thought of just going and just seeing how it is over here.
Yeah, it's here, huh? I saw this so many places.
Look at the
And like
rings.
so many people's
Wow.
hand, basically.
Cute. And this is me. There's very cute bags also.
Oh, guys, they have UPI payment
UPI,
also.
now UPI have come over here. You did not know?
Oh.
Oh, see the UPI. Look at it, it's just 50 riyals.
Ah, copy of Chanel, huh?
Chanel ka.
Just 50 riyal.
Yes.
A few moments later.
So finally we have reached here.
Where we are
is
planning
a
to go, huh?
spot where
From so long.
we always love to sit here in the benches and have a look on the view. It's really good because now it's a winter time in Qatar. It just started though, but it will be till March. So in Qatar, the winter times are like 6 months winter, 6 months summer.
Summer.
Yeah, so it's a best thing because summer goes. Yeah, 6 months winter, of course, because it starts in October, November, December, January, February, March. So 6 months winter
Until March.
and 6 months summer. What is the temperature right now? What do you think?
Temperature.
She's looking at the phone.
It's 28, 29 maybe. More
I
than.
will tell now.
Minimum.
It will be like 30.
Yeah, 28, 29 minimum. Maximum.
I am telling that this is 31.
Not bad, not bad.
Who guys know to swim? What do you think that if we jump from here, will we able to survive?
Yeah. Yes, yes.
No, it's very depth. No, we cannot. Be careful.
This is
guys. Don't
artificial.
go that side.
This is all artificial. huh?
Artificial it seems.
It's okay,
Dig-
but still don't
See?
go that side. I'm so scared.
Aye, not like water artificial.
Woo! It's going to land here.
Oh, mic is on.
Of course. Bye bye. I think that's Qatar Airways.
Uber is coming now.
Yes.
We're going
so
to
now we have decided to go to Souk Waqif because she wants to buy some chocolates
Oh,
because
souvenirs.
she's going to India. She wants to buy there. So tata bye bye to this place. Wonderful place. We had a good time. We spent almost 2 hours, right?
More
Yes.
than 2 hours.
More than 2 hours. We really enjoyed and the view was amazing as well. So thank you so much for watching. See you there in Souk Waqif. This is our Uber.